what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this eat donut filter on Instagram. So this is the filter name is donuts. To get this filter, visit the creator profile. Lorenzo Leza is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock this filter to your Instagram camera tray. So when you go to his profile, you will see his profile like this. You have to go to his filter tab, this smiley button. This is the filter gallery. So go there, and if you can't see this filter gallery or this smiley button, what you can do, you can refresh the page by dragging the page down like this. Okay, and you will see this effect gallery. So go there, and this is the filter donuts. Tap on it, and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray, and you can tap on try to try the filter. And suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Likewise. Okay, and you got the filter. So to use this filter, press and hold the record button and open your mouth to okay, likewise. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this eat donut filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.